Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about conveyor belt. Let's jump right into it. What is a conveyor belt? A conveyor belt is a robust, continuous belt made of various materials such as rubber, fabric, metal, or plastic. It moves over rollers or a flat bed to transport materials. Conveyor belts are commonly used in industries to move heavy or bulk materials swiftly and efficiently over short or long distances. Types of conveyor belts. Flat belt conveyors, the most common type, used in manufacturing and assembly lines. Modular belt conveyors, made of interlocking pieces, these belts are highly durable and can handle heavy loads. Cleated belt conveyors, equipped with vertical cleats, these belts prevent materials from slipping and are ideal for inclined transportation. Magnetic belt conveyors, used to transport metal objects, with magnets under the belt to hold the objects in place. Chain belt conveyors, these are used for handling large volumes of heavy materials. Common conveyor belt maintenance issues. Belt misalignment. Misalignment occurs when the belt drifts off its designated path. This can lead to uneven wear, increased friction, and potential damage to the belt edges. Belt slippage. Belt slippage happens when the belt does not move smoothly over the rollers or pulleys, often leading to a loss of productivity and increased wear. Material buildup. Accumulation of materials on the belt, rollers, or other components can cause blockages and affect the smooth operation of the conveyor system. Excessive wear and tear. Continuous use leads to the natural wear and tear of conveyor belts, which can result in belt fraying, cracking, or even complete failure. Bearing and roller failure. Bearings and rollers are critical for the smooth operation of a conveyor belt. Their failure can lead to increased friction, noise, and potential belt damage. Maintenance practices for conveyor belts. To ensure conveyor belts function optimally, regular maintenance is essential. Here are some best practices. Regular inspection. Conduct routine checks to identify wear and tear, misalignment, or any foreign objects that could cause damage. Lubrication. Keep rollers, bearings, and other moving parts well lubricated to reduce friction and wear. Belt tension. Ensure the belt tension is neither too tight nor too loose to avoid slippage or unnecessary strain on the belt and motor. Alignment. Check the belt alignment regularly to prevent uneven wear and potential damage. Cleanliness. Keep the conveyor belt clean to prevent material buildup that can cause blockages or slippage. Replacement of worn parts. Timely replacement of worn-out parts like rollers, bearings, and belts can prevent major breakdowns. Safety checks. Regularly inspect and maintain safety mechanisms like emergency stop buttons, guards, and sensors to ensure they are functioning correctly. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.